So welcome to another review on the Active Glow, and this one is raspberry, which is a lighter colour than the blueberry. I didn't like the blueberry at all, really. It wasn't me. It just looked too pinky on my nails. I thought it looked like my nails were stained, like a stained look to your nails. But this is a little bit lighter, so I'm hoping that this one will look a lot more natural. So I'm not going to go into a great amount of detail about what the Active Glow range is, because that was explained in my previous video on the blueberry colour. So if you want to know more about this range, please do check out that video, and I'll put the link to that in the description for you. So I shall now delve into the ingredients that are in this specific polish. Raspberry leaf extract. This is an antioxidant that helps protect and revitalise tired-looking nails. Sweet almond oil, a nourishing emollient which helps soften and condition the nails and supports hydration. And this is particularly good if your nails feel very dry or depleted. Glycolic acid, which is an AHA, and that helps stimulate renewal, smooths the nail surface and strengthens the nail structure. Now all of these do have AHAs in, but this one is distinctive in the fact that it doesn't have a combination of AHAs, it simply has glycolic acid. And vitamin E, which is an antioxidant and conditioning ingredient, which helps support the nourishing aspects of the product. And it contains 85.5% of plant-based ingredients. So as I had such an issue with the blueberry, in the fact that I really didn't like the look of it, and then I had to remove the nail polish and reapply just one coat with, I think I used a topper of Active Shine or something like that, just to make it look okay, because I just didn't like the look of it. I thought I'd do a little bit of experiment on this, on my thumbnails, just to see the difference between one coat and two coats. So on my left thumb here, I've applied one coat. As you can see, it just looks like a clear nail polish. And on the right thumb here, I've used two coats. And I can't see a great deal of difference at all, to be honest. So that's a positive result, because I really didn't like the blueberry at all. So I think this is going to be absolutely fine with two coats. And I shall start by applying the Manucurist Green Nail Prep, just to get rid of any oils that are on my nail plate. So there's the first coat. And I would say it's no different to a clear nail polish. Nice and shiny and glossy. Very slight pinkish glow, peachy sort of pinky glow to it on the second coat, but very, very, very subtle. A lot more subtle than the blueberry, which looked quite stained, really, like you've got stained nails. But this doesn't. It has a very, very slight peachy sort of glow. Personally, I think I prefer it with just one coat. I think I preferred the more subtle look of, say, like a clear nail polish. This is a little bit pinky. Not as pinky as the other, but still a little bit pinky for me. Wait, but you don't get that with just one coat. So going forwards, I may apply these just as one coat of the glow, and then something else over the top. Yeah, that could be a coat of the Active Shine, the Active Bright, which I haven't tried yet, but it's meant to sort of give a nice shine. So it'd be interesting to see what effect that has over the top. Possibly it has a similar effect to like a top coat to make it extra shiny maybe. Or there's the Active Plump. And this one is in the pink glazed. So that will just give it a little bit of a pink glaze over the top. So I think for me, I would use these glow polishers as just one single coat and something else over the top. That's the joy of these active polishers, is that you can layer them over top of other active polishers. So it gives you lots of options. So this is the next glow that I will be doing, and this is in Grape. Again, it's another darker one, so I probably will end up using just one coat with something else over the top. But I shall show you what it's like on two coats first, just for your benefit, so you've got an idea of what it looks like. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you found that useful. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.